Dear friends, today also we brought you some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 32 stocks including ONGC, NTPC, Mazda, Force Motors, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. KSR Enterprises Limited share is trading around rupees 187. KSR Enterprises announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of KSR Enterprises, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Ex-date and record date for the stock split is fixed as 18th September 2025. Mazda Limited. Mazda. Current market price rupees 278. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3.6 per share. 4th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Gujarat State Petronet Limited GSPL share is trading around rupees 290. Gujarat State Petronet announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. 10th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Bharat Bijli Limited BBL share is trading around rupees 2,969. Bharat Bijli announced a dividend of rupees 35 per share. 4th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Dilip Bilcon Limited DBL current market price rupees 466. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 9th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. New India Assurance Company Limited NIACL current market price rupees 188. New India Assurance announced a dividend of rupees 1.8 per share. 4th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Somani Ceramics Limited Somani Sera current market price rupees 458. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3 per share. 11th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Clean Science and Technology Limited Clean current market price rupees 1174. Company announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. 4th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Prince Pipes and Fittings Limited Prince Pipe current market price rupees 390. Company announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. 4th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Acnit Industries Limited current market price rupees 296. Acnit Industries announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. 8th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. India Tourism Development Corporation Limited ITDC current market price rupees 524. ITDC announced a dividend of rupees 2.9 per share. 9th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Force Motors Limited Force Mot current market price rupees 19,477. Force Motors announced a dividend of rupees 40 per share. 10th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. National Plastic Technologies Limited current market price rupees 129. National Plastic Technologies announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. 4th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Finotex Chemicals Limited FCL current market price rupees 238. Finotex Chemicals announced a dividend of 40 paise per share. Ex-date is fixed as 12th September and record date is fixed as 13th September 2025. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited ONGC current market price rupees 234. ONGC announced a dividend of rupees 1.25 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 4th September 2025. DOMS Industries Limited current market price rupees 2,432. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3.15 per share. 15th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Inzil Hydro Power and Manganese Limited current market price rupees 48. Company announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. 4th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. J. Kumar Infra Projects Limited, JKIL, current market price rupees 618. J. Kumar Infra announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. 16th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Neogen Chemicals Limited, Neogen, current market price rupees 1404. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 19th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Shakti Finance Limited, current market price rupees 45. Company announced a dividend of 80 paise per share. 22nd September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Ircon International Limited, Ircon, current market price rupees 160. Ircon International announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 11th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Tattva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited, Tattva, current market price rupees 1040. Tattva Chintan Pharma announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 12th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, GRSE, current market price rupees 2352. Company announced a dividend of rupees 4.9 per share. 12th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Panchmahal Steel Limited, current market price rupees 267. Panchmahal Steel announced a dividend of rupees 3 per share. 12th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Narmada Gelatins Limited, current market price rupees 366. Narmada Gelatins announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. 15th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Empire Industries Limited, current market price rupees 1133. Company announced a dividend of rupees 25 per share. 15th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Sandhar Technologies Limited, Sandhar, current market price rupees 433. Sandhar Technologies announced a dividend of rupees 3.5 per share. 12th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Datamatics Global Services Limited, Datamatics, current market price rupees 1010. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. 11th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited, GNFC, current market price rupees 523. GNFC announced a dividend of rupees 18 per share. 2nd September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. NTPC Limited, NTPC, current market price rupees 328. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3.35 per share. 4th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Upcoming IPOs. Amanta Healthcare Limited, face value rupees 10 per share. Price band rupees 120 to 126. Lot size 119 shares. IPO opens on 1st September and closes on 3rd September 2025. Tentative allotment 4th September. Initiation of funds 8th September. Credit of shares to demat account 8th September. Listing date of Amanta Healthcare is fixed as 9th September 2025. Amanta Healthcare Limited, incorporated in December 1994. Amanta Healthcare Limited is a pharmaceutical company that specializes in the development, manufacturing and marketing of a diverse array of sterile liquid products, specifically parenteral products which are packaged in plastic containers utilizing aseptic blow-fill seal and injection stretch blow molding technologies. The company is also a manufacturer of medical devices. The company manufactured fluid therapy formulations including IV fluids, diluents, ophthalmic solutions and respiratory care products. It also offers irrigation solutions, first aid products and eye lubricants in the medical device segment. Amanta Healthcare Limited. This is the balance sheet of Amanta Healthcare Limited for the last 3 years. All the figures are in crores. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.